Wanted to create a plan in AutoCAD. First of all, we have to go to AutoCAD. AutoCAD window is showing like this. After that, we go into start drawing. The entire page is coming like this. Here it is the command. If we wanted to apply units before drawing a plan, so we have to enter command units command UNITS units command. In this window it shows type of length, right side of this length of type of angle, below the type of length it shows precision. After that angle precision, then after insertion scale. The length of type is 5 types. In that architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, scientific. In this architectural length type, it represents feet, inches, like that. In decimal, it is in the format 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, like that. In engineering, feet, inches, yards. In fractional length type, fraction like 1/2 feet, 1/3 feet, 1/5 feet, like that. In scientific, 5000 E, 2000 E, like that. Units are comes like this. If you want to draw a plan first, and I wanted to draw in the type of engineering length type, so I change it to engineering type length. Then precision is changed to 0 feet to 0 inches. After applying of this precision, I wanted to change insertion scale. In this box I change inches to feet. After this completion of applying of this, click on OK. After applying of units, we have to change the dimension style. So we have to enter the command dimension style. The command is for dimension style is dim style, DIMSTY, dimension style. You can see here DIMSTY, dimension style. Enter dimension style. The window comes like this. In this window 5 boxes are here. Set current, it means current dimensions are set. New means new dimensions. Modify means before dimensions are modified. We have to modify the before what we apply the before the. Okay, so we have to click on modify. Modify means in this modify command, symbols and arrows, text, fit, primary units, alternative units, tolerations. I wanted to change arrow size, so I click on symbols and arrows. In these symbols and arrows, here arrow size is showing like this. So I wanted to change arrow size to 9 inches. Why I am applying 9 inches? It is equal to thickness of wall. So that's why I change thickness to 9 inches. After applying of this arrow size, I am going to change text height. Same, text height also 9 inches. I change 9 inches 9 inches. Applying of this, going to primary units. In primary units, here boxes are shown: unit format, precision, fractional format, decimal separator. In unit format, this box it shows decimal, but I want to change to engineering because already I changed to engineering units in engineering. That's why I wanted to this primary units also change it to engineering units. After applying of unit format, changing precision to 0 to 0, 0-0. Here we can see the figure. The model of the dimension style is comes like this. After applying of these three, in this three we are changing arrow text, arrow size, changing text height, applying primary units. These three are completed. After completion of this, click on OK. Click on close. We have to check the dimension of any strange length. So I have to take a length. So line, I enter line command, line line command. First specify the corner of line and enter another end. I want to measure this line. Sorry, it shows some error. So I want to do another line. I wanted to take another line. I'll enter some 50 feet, enter. I want to check this length of line. You can see here 50 feet comes like this. Okay.